Yo, what is happening? This is S Production Games, and we're in part 17 of Let's Make a Game in Unity. Okay, well, we actually left off. Well, first off, before I get to all that, um, we might get into some problems in the future because I've upgraded Unity to Unity 5. Well, we had Unity 4.6 and now we're at Unity 5. I upgraded it. And when I did it, I wasn't really thinking about, will there be any issues with the change, and certainly there are. And I'm still not sure the full extent of any problems that may come along, which may not be much, and I'm willing to, fix anything that needs to be fixed. So here, I updated Unity 4.6 into Unity 5, and let's show where we left off with, now that I opened this with Unity 5. I had to load things up, and you can see the sky was messed up. There's some black stuff going on up there, and we have error over here. It says set destination can only be called on an active agent that has been placed on nav mesh. So I guess we have to redo the nav mesh again. But besides that, the character is moving around. I'm sure we still got the same animation problems. Okay, and our enemy we carried is not gonna really follow us because the nav mesh needs to be redone. So let's go back to that real quick, and let's get it done. Right? Want to get it done? Let's get it done. First, let's go fix the thing with the skybox. Try to remember what to do here. Let's go to skyboxes. Okay, now you see all these things that we have on our skybox, which I'm not going to be using. This can be fixed. Oh yeah, I clicked fix now. But I don't know, one of these we do use for now. So it's gonna be changed. We're gonna add our own stuff in there later. So, but let's just. Oops. Let's just fix what we might be using. Get rid of that black stuff. Fix now, fix now, fix now, fix now, fix now, fix now. Let's go to this third one, because I don't know which one we're using yet. Which one we're actually using now. So we're just gonna fix anything close. And that should be fine now, right? Let's play real quick and see if it... Okay, no more black stuff. Good. Now we need to add nav mesh. Let's go here. Click on the model we created. Go navigation, and let's go to bake over here, and let's click bake, and let's clear. Oh my goodness, let's clear all that. Did we bake it already? Yeah, we did. Let's go play and see if the enemy is back in the game. He is back. All right, cool. So on the last video, finally getting a recap. Sorry for the late recap. I think we updated the animations and we added this attack. Wow. Oh, you see that? What the heck? So he swings. It's not perfect. We got some problems with it, and currently I'm still going through some issues with it. Not having everything fully figured out why and stuff. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take a little break from all that. We're gonna work on the title screen. Let's get that out the way, right? So that's what we got planned for today. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a new scene. So let's go to File, New Scene. Let's make sure we save what we did. Yeah. All right. This save scene is gonna ask you what you want to call it. It's gonna call it title screen. Enter. We in there. Okay. We got directional light and we got camera. Now Unity 5 does some new things. You know, I still haven't caught on everything it's doing, but it got some. It's pretty cool. Still haven't really dug into it, but I noticed some stuff automatically. I was like, whoa. But let's go. Let's see what we're gonna do. We still got. Now we're gonna add our model that we created. Place it in here. 2D. Let's get a 2D. And let's not gonna be the same decorations, but let's just add some of the some trees in there. Yeah. Okay. Is that right? Yeah, that's cool. And let's add another tree here. Alright, so we got trees now, and now we need grass. Boom. 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 Yes, this liven up a little bit. Now you're gonna let's add all these into. Let's create empty. We're gonna call this empty grass. And then we're gonna select all these different grass models, put them in there. And we're gonna add another empty just to make things neat. Tree. Okay, and then we're gonna add all them trees up in there. So if we need to add more, we can. It won't look too messy here on the hierarchy tab. Okay, so that's pretty good, right? Next thing we need to do, we're going to add the title. So let's go to. You can just right click here, UI, text. Let's go 2D. And we're gonna yes, we got a currently we got the game called Isoplat. Sounds kind of cool to me. It does. Still haven't really figured out what title it's gonna be, but I have a new tentative title we're gonna use, and we're gonna call it Rain, not AIN, but EIN. That's currently. Now I have a reason why, because this is gonna do something. I got a story that we're gonna try to work with that might be included into this game. I don't know, but this is not just chosen randomly. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna call it Rain, and we're gonna make the size. Let's see, 50. Where are you? Is it 12? We need to raise this up. I want it then on this side. And let's just raise this up. I want it bigger, but it seems like it wants to disappear after I pick. Oh, I don't know what that was about, but I guess over here you. Okay. I still want it bigger. So, oh, if it gets too big in the box. Okay, I'm cool with that. Call it rain. Let's go to the main camera. Oh yeah, because using Unity 5, there's some things from the last one that brought back. But I noticed in assets, I might be wrong. There's some things that we got before that may not be here now. I'm not sure. Like if I go to the standard assets and scripts, like see we have mouse orbit, which I plan to use today, and smooth follow, smooth look at. I'm not sure if they're there. I might be wrong. These might be from the old one, because so far I haven't really imported anything new from Unity 5. But if there's a problem, if anybody is following along and have issues, please contact me, and I will assist you on the matter. Yeah. I plan to use the code, but let's just get things going because I am getting kind of stuck here. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do is we got rain. Think. All right. It's not moving, are you? There you are. Oh, the model size is so small. Let's do 3. Apply. Okay, bigger. Good. Oh man. Oh, you know what? Goodness gracious. That's the problem. I gotta move this. Let's just see how it works. Let's just continue. Goodness gracious. Alright. Now we're gonna add a button. Let's go to the canvas. Right click UI button. And if you click on the arrow, the key on the button is text. We're gonna type here. Let's do new game. Should I do new game? Yeah, new game. Oh, okay, new game. And let's duplicate that. Do another duplicate that. And let's go to the first one right here. Let's go instead of new game, we're gonna put load game. We're not gonna be do anything to this yet because we gotta work on that, and we need to lower that. So let's go back to button 1 and position Y, bring it down a bit. Good. Now button 2, let's bring that down a bit right now. Okay, that's good, right? And then let's go to text, and we're gonna type exit, right? Game. Cool. So we got new game, load game, exit game, and we can do one more. Duplicate, and we're gonna call it options. So let's go to text, and we're gonna name it options. That's in case you want to change settings, whatever. I'm not sure if we're gonna get all this done, but I would like to. But since options is gonna be different. They're gonna be oddball. They're gonna take you out to the side. So there we go. And so what I wanted to do for the camera, I was gonna select on the, I guess this is the camera, scripts. Look, it's not there. Camera control. If you have mouse orbit, sorry about that. Sorry for that. Okay. Go to camera control and mouse orbit. Then we can select transform, and then we got a lot of cameras and cube. What? Oh, I know why. Another problem. Okay, we're gonna go by the model. Circular the model, and let's open it real quick. And what we're gonna do now, you see the X and Y, this is what the input. I want to remove all input. So what we're gonna do is, just, you know what, we're not gonna be doing that. So oh, you know what? Yes, we are. Okay. This is what we do. Boom. Boom. And let's save that. And then we'll do for X speed 0.002, or let's do 0.02. 0.04. Let's see how that works. Let's test it out real quick. And it's going down. So let's do negative on the Y. Let's play that. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. Get the title. Now these got no input yet. we're gonna work on that. But we got, it's kind of how I wanted it, but the distance we want a little more. Let's bring it to 20. I got no set number, but okay. But everything is out of whack. The trees and stuff. We gotta fix some of that. But I'll fix that another time. That's not important. Let's go back to the canvas, to the main text. Let's change that color. If we go here, should I get white? Let's try it. Press play with white. Right. Okay. It's a basic, nothing cool. Well, it's all right to me, but it's not really amazing. But better than a plain picture with nothing going on. At least we got moving around and yeah. Okay. Another thing. Let's go back to the camera. I want to change that. Okay, then the time is up. Time is of the essence. It really is. Okay. 1. Let's see how that works. Okay, I think that's cool. I just probably want a little more distance, so let's do 30. Press play. Okay, so yeah, so let's go on to input. Let's see if we can. It's not a lot to do. So on event system, let's go to scripts. Create C#. We're gonna call it change scene. All right, so we're gonna go to change scene. Double click that. Get mouse over it here and change scene. Let's delete these and hold on. Public void change to scene to change to application.load level. Should be it. Save, put that down, and let's go back to our first button, new game. So we're gonna go to on click, add, let's drag event system to here, and you're gonna find, oh, I didn't add event to the event system. Go on event system and let's add change scene, and let's go back to button, and hopefully change scene should be found there, and let's go to change to scene. Where are you? Okay, good. And we're gonna select one. This is going to the next level, so we need to make sure we go to build settings and add current at 0. This is the title screen, and we need to add the other one too so it can work. So what we're gonna do now is save scene, and it's gonna open scene. Let's go to our scene 1, and then we're gonna go to build settings, add current, so that's gonna be 1. So that's the one we're gonna be going to. So save scene. I guess we probably gotta save it, but let's alright. Open scene. Let's go back to the title and event system. It's already worked, right? Let's just test it out. New game. Okay. Whoa. Oh, this changed everything. As you can see, the stage we created got much bigger, and that is not good. But on the bright side, the title screen worked. So the main thing I'm gonna do behind scenes is fix the sizing and move everything around, make everything right again the way it was before. So if you guys like this episode, because what we just did today, got a title screen. We ain't do the load, exit options things yet. I did another time, but right now we got a little thing going on, and we got a so-called title. Might be added to this title. Might be the story or Rainland or something. But definitely everything's gonna go in the works. And so you guys stay tuned, and please stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys later, and thank you for those that watch. Bye bye.